Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Lubluelu 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo, a powerhouse of efficiency and precision. This innovative device features cutting-edge LDS 9.0 LiDAR mapping technology, offering 360-degree laser mapping and navigation for fast and accurate cleaning route planning, perfect for multi-story homes. With its 4,500 pascals strong suction, brushless motor, and intelligent carpet detection, it effortlessly tackles dust, pet hair, and dirt on various surfaces, from hard floors to carpets. The robot's smart app and voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant makes scheduling and customizing your cleaning routine a breeze, while its 24 no-go zones ensure it stays out of areas you want untouched. Equipped with a 350 ml dust box and a 270 ml water tank with an anti-siphon design, it offers a 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and sweep function, leaving your floors spotless. With a runtime of up to 150 minutes and auto-charging capabilities, the Lubluelu robot vacuum ensures uninterrupted cleaning, while its intelligent obstacle avoidance and off-road wheels make it a versatile cleaning companion for any home.